Hello everyone, hello teachers. So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung final demonstration teaching or tinatawag na CE demo. So CE stands for Chinese Evaluators Demonstration Teaching. So mayroon pong isang evaluator and that is a Chinese. Doon kayo magde-demonstrate inside Air Classroom. Ano yung Air Classroom? Air Classroom is a place or it is an application run via laptop kung saan tayo magtuturo. That is our application for teaching. Nandun na yung materials, doon papasok yung estudyante at ikaw rin. So, in there, you will demonstrate to a Chinese. So, you have to do your best. You have to showcase what you have learned from your NTT. You have to make your pronunciation the best, proper TPR. You have to prepare your teaching aids and rewards. But nakafocus talaga kayo sa flow ng lesson, proper timing, proper energy, smile. You have to really navigate AC properly. Marami talaga kayong iseset aside, especially your technical devices. Okay. So yung technical devices, dapat planchado po talaga yon. Dapat na naka-prepare yung camera, yung noise cancelling headset, stable internet connection, tapos yung laptop in good condition po talaga lahat. And then you have your white background. So those are very important in your preparation kasi that will set good impression to your Chinese evaluator. Ang CE demo kasi, yun yung pinakamadugo. Okay. So to tell you honestly, sa mga referrals ko kasi, nakikita ko kasi yung mga listahan ng aking mga referrals. Doon kasi sila talaga nahihirapan. So marami talaga nag-fail doon sa CE demonstration. So dapat talaga na mag-prepare kayo ng mabuti for that said stage or that said process. Tapos, shouldn't have to settle for less, okay? Or to pass only. You have to do your best. Dapat na impress nyo talaga si CE para naman na mabigyan kayo ng B+ or kaya A. Kasi kung magkakaroon kayo ng ganyan na rating, panigurado pagkabukas or sa makalawa, mayroon na agad kayong mga bookings, okay? So, I would really advise you na talagang very well prepared kayo sa inyong CE demonstration teaching para na maging the best yung inyong teaching experience with your CE. Okay, natural naman talaga na kakabahan ka. Of course, you're pressured na talagang magawa mo yun ng perfect or almost perfect sa harapan ng isang Chinese evaluator, which is really normal. But you have to make sure na nakafocus ka talaga sa mga gagawin mo. Ano yung una, ikalawa at iba pang mga dapat mong gawin. Tapos yung script mo sa yung pagde-demonstrate, dapat memoryado mo talaga. Whatever are your gestures, your TPR, your pronunciation, dapat short and simple lang talaga yung instruction natin sa ating pagtuturo. Okay? At tapos isa-isip talaga natin, i-apply natin yung mga natutunan natin from our NTT. Alright, so I hope this video helps. And right after pala ng CE, malalaman nyo na agad kung pass or failed kayo. Tapos kung pass naman kayo, bibigyan na po kayo ng instruction ni CE for your onboarding webinar. So good luck to all of you. If you want me to be your guide, if you trust me to be your referrer, then just message me. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye-bye!